So quarks, oops. Right, quarks were the first particles or matter to form after the Big Bang. Okay, number 17, the 6 types of quark. And I always find it useful when you're trying to memorise a list is to know how many things are in the list. So that's why I've written there deliberately the 6 types of quark. Up, down, charm, strange, top, and bottom. Okay, and then to combine these into particles that you're maybe a bit more familiar with, right, protons and neutrons. Right, a proton's made from 2 up and 1 down particle.
How many letters comes all the way?
2 seconds. Right, and a neutron is made from 2 downs and 1 up.